Hello, I'm Jamie with Love of the Magic Vacations, and today we're at Disney's Contemporary Resort, one of Disney World's 11 deluxe resorts and villas. This resort is located next to Magic Kingdom and on the monorail loop, giving guests easy access to Magic Kingdom and Epcot. In today's tour, we'll be seeing one of the recently updated themed rooms with 2 queen beds and a day bed. This room is located in the main tower of the Contemporary Resort. The room sleeps up to 5 guests. Most standard rooms include 2 queen beds and a day bed, but guests can also request a king bed instead of the 2 queens. We'll also be looking around at some of the resort amenities and what it has to offer. The Contemporary Resort is 2 buildings, the main tower, which famously has the monorail that runs through the atrium, and the garden wing, which is adjacent to the main tower. You'll also see a third tower, Bay Lake Tower, which is part of Disney's Vacation Club resort offering. But first, let's take a look at one of the standard resort rooms. When you're comparing rooms at this resort, there are a number of options to choose from, including rooms with club level access, 1 and 2 bedroom suites, and the standard resort room like we're looking at now. If you would like to see what a garden wing 1 bedroom suite with club level access looks like, make sure to check out our other room tour on YouTube that includes this suite. Resort rooms offer 3 different views, either a theme park view, which is views of the Magic Kingdom, a resort view, which offers views of the parking or obstructed views, and a water view, which is the view of the pool, marina, or Bay Lake. The room size and features remain the same with each view. You can also choose between the main tower and the garden wing, but note that the garden wing does not have direct views of Magic Kingdom. Garden wing rooms can be a great option for staying deluxe at a little lower price than you would typically see in the main tower atrium building. The contemporary rooms were recently refurbished and include hard surface flooring and raised beds for extra storage. This is a great feature for families, especially when there are 5 guests in the room. The new decor is simple and a modern nod to the Incredibles and give the room a very sleek look with a Disney touch. Each room has a separate shower and toilet area, leaving the vanity with 2 sinks open for others to continue getting ready. This is a great feature for families who are simultaneously preparing for their Disney adventures. As with all resorts, you'll be provided with Disney specialty bath products in the bathroom. The coffee bar is equipped with a single serve Keurig and all the makings for your morning coffee or tea, as well as a mini beverage cooler. You should note that the beverage cooler is not cold like a refrigerator, but only cool to chill your drinks. The room offers a full-size closet complete with hangers, shelves, drawers, a luggage rack, extra bedding, and a safe. Along with the underbed storage, there's plenty of space to organize your belongings. The contemporary feature pool and water play area is located near Bay Lake between the main tower and the garden wing. The pool is 0 entry and has fun curvy slides that are enjoyed by all ages. Don't forget about the little ones where they can enjoy a splash pad area adjacent to the pool. One of the most unique dining views at Disney World is located at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Take the elevator to California Grill on the 15th floor for a dining experience with the best views of Magic Kingdom and the 7 Seas Lagoon. If you time it right, catching the fireworks from this restaurant will add a special touch to your meal. Guests who make their dining reservations before the fireworks can return to the top with their receipt to enjoy the show later that evening. California Grill currently offers a prefix 3-course menu with wine and drink pairings. While the restaurant is a more upscale dining experience at Disney World, families with children are invited to enjoy the experience together. Located in the heart of the Contemporary, you will find Chef Mickey's, one of Disney's famous character dining restaurants. This delicious buffet is offered for breakfast, brunch, and dinner, where you'll meet Mickey and Minnie and some of their other favorite friends. Don't forget to look up and catch the monorail as it comes passing through the building on its way to Magic Kingdom. Contemporary's newest restaurant is Steakhouse 71, located in the lobby area where the Wake used to reside. This updated space and menu are a welcome addition to the Contemporary Resort. With a nod to the year that Disney World opened, Steakhouse 71 has the design style of the 70s with a modern reimagined look. The menu offers some dishes inspired by Walt himself. As you enter the restaurant, take in the black and white artwork showcasing some of Disney's great history. Even if you're not staying for dinner, keep in mind that the Steakhouse 71 offers a lounge space with walk-up options for cocktails and light bites before or after your evening festivities. If you'd like to learn more about Disney's Contemporary Resort, make sure to read our blog linked in the notes. Did you enjoy this video? Like and subscribe to see more of our resort tours and cruise ship videos. Ready to plan your next magical Disney World vacation? We'll happily send you a free quote and help you decide which resort and room are best for your next Disney vacation adventure. Use the link in the notes to request your free, no obligation quote today.